Every summer, will your forklift have heat dissipation difficulties? Don't worry, BSLBATT has designed a forklift lithium battery specifically for this purpose, suitable for a variety of brands. It is BSLBATT83.2-410. The lithium battery of this forklift truck is 1050 by 720 by 625 mm in length, width and height respectively. It weighs only 900 kilograms. The service life of BSLBATT83.2-410 is 10 times longer than that of lead-acid batteries. Fast charging time, fully charged in 2 to 3 hours. 99% efficient charging process. Designed for execution on multiple shifts. Its top cover is a buckle design, not only convenient for you to repair the battery, but also easy to open the battery to cool the battery. Whether you are in the material handling industry, logistics transportation industry or paper industry, we believe that this forklift lithium battery can bring you a more stable, safer and more efficient power supply for forklift. More efficient, more customer oriented, that's BSLBATT.